when you wet this paper, the fibers of the Japanese paper just come apart in a very soft edge, and then when we then paste it on to the joint here, right? When we paste it onto that joint, it'll feather out into the page, and you won't see a line so much.
Faith, how long have you been working on this today? This particular book?
Oh, she brought it right at the beginning at 10 o'clock, so we've been working on it since then. This, together with another book that she brought in.
So really meticulous work you've been doing.
Yes.
So we actually need two,
Okay, I'll do another one.
because we have one for. We have to do it on this side too. A little bit wider piece maybe on this side. Yeah, a little bit wider piece than that.
Until here.
Yeah, that'd be good. Same length, maybe
Yeah.
a little bit longer.
Okay.
So here again, we're going to be covering that up, which had the same problem. The same problem here that tore at the hinge. And then when it's done, that'll be covered up. And this will
You
be
also bound it though. You put an actual
we put a new
casing around it, or
we put a new cloth cover. We've added a new spine piece here. There's a piece underneath there. This was missing completely, and pasted that on the outside with a blue cloth that I had. It's very close.
is this a special book for the owner of it?
Well, she's had it for a long time, since she was a young girl. So it's something that's worthwhile for us to fix. It's better to fix it than to throw it out.
Absolutely.
Or buy a new one.